Hi guys, and welcome back to day 2 of the Vlogmas vlogs. I'm feeling in a very good mood. I even put makeup on. I never put makeup on. I've even tried to do something with my baby hairs. Don't get too close. Today we are making a Christmas Bailey's tart. It's kind of like a cheesecake, but it's got a biscuit base. So yesterday I went to Asda. Hi guys, day 2 of Vlogmas. I feel like this is a very similar setup to day 1, but that's because I'm filming this on the same day as day 1 so that I can keep up, you know. I'm very committed. I think I've made a Bailey's cheesecake before, phenomenal, but a Bailey's tart I haven't. I've never made a tart ever, and they're really fun because they've got like a crispy base. So I have got my little list. I'm gonna go inside to Asda right now. People think I'm so weird. I'm literally talking to a camera. This guy's getting in his car next to me. This is very awkward. To get all of the ingredients bought, and then I'm probably not going to bake it tonight because it's a little bit dark and there's not really loads of light in my house. So I might wait until the morning. It only takes 3 hours to set, so then that means we can have some for dinner tomorrow evening. So I'm gonna have to wait 24 hours, but it's all good. This guy's still staring at me and I feel so awkward. So I'm gonna have to go now. Okay, bye. We're back. Went to Asda last night so that I had all the ingredients ready to just start baking this morning. I know I'm like, some days I get something in my head that I'm going to do tomorrow, and then on that day I wake up and if it's not easily available to me, I'm not doing it. So I made my life easier yesterday. Now all I need to do is kind of clear my workstation. It's a little bit cluttered at the minute. I've got my iPad on charge for my recipe. It's a Jane's patisserie recipe. I'm going to leave it linked down below for you if you want to make it as well. First thing I'm going to do is spray the area that I'm going to be baking in. Then, because I think I'm going to be using my hands in this, I'm going to give my hands a little wash. How cute are these that I picked up the other day in Dunelm? Dunelm have got some really good Christmas pieces in. Like, really good. I like them a lot. Let's get the recipe up. As I said, I'm going to link the recipe down below for you. Jane's patisserie Bailey's chocolate tart. Here we go. Can we see, guys? Can we see? Looks pretty good to me. Blitz your biscuits in a food processor or bash them up. So we need 300 grams of digestives. Let's see. We're a bit over, but it's not going to break the bank, you know? So we've got biscuits. Now what I'm going to do, the only thing is I find trying to blitz them in the food processor, because we don't have a food processor, we've just got a NutriBullet bullet, and I do have a blender, but I don't know. I think I've tried to do it in this before and it gets really annoying and really messy, and as well I think it over blitzes them, so I'm going to do it by hand, because I don't know about you, but I really like when the base has got quite like big bits of crumble and biscuit in them. Start bashing it up. If there's any really big bits left, I'll just break those up. Okay, then with the next set of biscuits. Do you know what, I have a feeling, because I'm making a tart base, it's not like a cheesecake biscuit base where you can have thicker bits. I think the tart base might need to be really thin so that it all combines properly. So, okay, I'm just gonna use my hands and like keep mashing it. Add in the cocoa powder and mix. And then unsalted butter, melted, 150. I had to buy the expensive stuff yesterday. Can you imagine? All the unsalted butter was gone. I don't know if it's because like the non-branded stuff, I don't know if it's because everyone's using it for like Christmassy stuff, like getting stuff ready, or like everyone just has decided to bake as well, but never seen it. It's so empty. So this whole thing is 250 and I need, I think, 150. Cutting it into cubes so it just melts a little bit better in the microwave. A little bit more, not too much. A little bit more. And a tiny bit more. Oh, come on. So hard getting everything like perfect. How did I go over so much? I don't even care. I've gone over by 2 grams, but I'm sure it's fine. Okay, I'm gonna whack that in the microwave and keep taking it out like every 10 seconds. Okay, melty, melty. And then I'm gonna pour that on top. And then we want to mix it all together. On the instructions it says to mix it into like a wet sand, so that's what we're aiming for. A wet sand. I think we've got it to a wet sand consistency. There are slightly bigger lumps than I think you're meant to have in here, so if you're going to do this, perhaps do put it in a blitzer. But you know, I like a little chunk, so I'm not bothered. Next, we need to press it into the bottom of the sides of a loose bottomed tart tin for the best results. I don't know whether you have to grease this or not. It's very like slidey, so I don't think you have to. So I'm not gonna. Am I meant to press this up the sides? I don't really know how this works. Do I just put it all in the bottom? So I press it and mould it up the sides? I'm a bit confused. The instructions don't say, oh it does, okay, bottom and side, duh. Okay, bottoms and sides. Okay, this seems to be working. Okay. Give me 2 minutes and then we'll be there. Oh, I've got cramp in my hand. Ow, it was really hurting my hands. Yeah, I'm just gonna warn you, you do get a really intense cramp on your hands if you do this. So I've done it like up the sides but curved. I think I meant to do it up the sides like, how do I describe it? As like an actual, as like it's holding it in. Use my spoon to like actually, I don't want it to break apart. See, like that's breaking apart. It is really hard to do, I can't lie. Imagine being on Bake Off and knowing you have 10 minutes to get this done. I've already taken 10 minutes trying to flatten it to the bottom of the of the tin. Bakers, you have 10 minutes remaining. You have 10 minutes. I'd just be like, right, I'm not doing it. Get me out of here. I'm finished playing games. I'm done playing games. I don't have enough. It's not going up the sides high enough. This is too hard. The cramp in my hand is ridiculous, but if I stop now, I know I won't start again. So we just have to push through. We've done it. Here is my tart pan dish. My tart dish, I think that's probably what it's called. Oh no, it's a base, isn't it? My tart base. We got there finally. My tart base. Take a little thumbnail. Hilarious. I'm gonna put this in the fridge to set it a bit because I think I melted my chocolate a bit too much. Now we've got milk chocolate. I'll just wait. No, keep going. Don't worry. Just trying to record, it's nothing serious. Okay, now we've got some milk chocolate and some dark chocolate. I need to measure, I think 175 grams of each, so let me measure that out. Ooh, 175, perfect. Oh my gosh, so sorry, but my memory card just did an absolute madness. I don't know why I decided to do that. So I had to change my camera over quickly and I'm trying to find my measuring jug. Where is everything in this house? Just in my protein shaker. I'm going to put 150. Oh, that's quite a lot. Oh. I mean, I suppose if you're going to make a Bailey's flavoured cake, you need some. This is so much hard work. Honestly, I didn't think making a cake, I thought it would be really cute and fun. How do people that do like bake with me videos on YouTube make it seem really fun? Because I'm not finding it that fun. It's starting to bubble, so I'm going to take it off now. And get all the chocolate back in the bowl. And then we're going to pour that mixture on top. Oh, actually I need to do the cubes of butter as well. 50 grams of unsalted butter, so reset my scales. 56. And then we take this hot mixture and pour it over this mixture. Oh God, you can't see what I'm doing. I'm honestly the worst. Okay, so this is what we're doing. We're all over and we want to get it melty hot. Mixing it so it all melts down. Oh, I can smell the Baileys. Oh my God. is really nice. Oh my gosh. That is lovely. That is lovely. Right, I'm gonna get the Tart tin. This is not all gonna fit in here. This is not gonna all fit in here. Is this a joke? I think I was meant to get it, because this is a quiche tin. So maybe a Tart tin is much deeper. Oh no. Oh no, I wish I bought like a deeper tin. Oh no. I think it's fine. It's just gonna be a bit healthier because there's not gonna be as much chocolate, but let's just get it done. Let's get it done. There's no point moaning now, we've come all this way. Okay, so I'm gonna pour the liquid. Okay, where can we stop? Don't want to go over the edges too much. I think that's a good place to stop. Let's not get greedy. Okay, let's see if we can get it over to the fridge. I'm actually gonna clear out the bottom shelf just to make it easier so I don't have to lift anything. The pressure! The pressure! Oh my gosh. Stab, stab. It's in! So what's the time now? It's currently 12:30. So it's going to be 3:30. Alexa, set a timer at 3:30 for me to take the cake out the fridge.
Alarm set for 3:30 p.m. When your alarm sounds, if you need a few more minutes, just ask me to snooze.
Okay, thanks babe. But now what are we going to do? We've got all of this. What can I do with this? Seems like an awful waste for it to go in the bin. You definitely need a big cake tin, like a big one. I thought I bought a big enough one, but clearly not. But that's okay, it's no problem. It's all good in the hood here. Everything is baked, everything is cleaned, washed, put away. We are waiting for everything to set. So I will see you when it's time to take it out of the fridge. It's time. Okay, here is my gorgeous Tart. It's fully set. Look too good. Imagine it just fell. Imagine it all just flopped out. Okay, so it's been 3 hours. Apparently now it's very much set, but I meant to, for the topping part, I meant to put like grated chocolate on, put together double cream at Bailey's and icing sugar, put it into a piping bag and then pipe like little splodges, like eight of them around, so you can signify each size. I can't be bothered, if I'm being totally honest. It's going to be so much more mess. I genuinely can't be bothered. That is the reason. There's my story and I'm sticking to it. So instead what I'm going to do is, I've got a cube of Cadbury's milk chocolate here, just 1 cube. I'm going to get a grater and I'm going to grate it all over the top. And then remember, I got these, didn't I, from the range yesterday, Bailey's truffles. Should I cut them in half and put them on? Yeah, I don't think you need a full one on each one. I'm gonna cut them all. I'm gonna cut like 4 of them in half, so that gives us about 8 slices. I really want to film this on my iPhone as well, but how can I do that? I got this to stand up by itself yesterday. Yes, like that. I'm just gonna grate this 1 little cube of chocolate. Not even like the full thing, just until there's a light covering on the top of the cake. The tart, it's not a cake, it's a tart, darling. I suddenly really want to watch Harry Potter. Okay, then I'm going to take 4 of these. Yummy, yummy, yummy. That's so yummy. This is what the Bailey's truffles look like. Are they called truffles? Them in half. Oh, I hope they cut in half nicely enough. Okay. Ooh. They kind of cut in half, but I'm gonna put one there. I'm so excited. Yeah, because this is gonna be a very rich cake, so you're gonna want quite small slices. So I think we're gonna do 8. Oh, that one was messy. That one was messy. I'm gonna do that again. I don't want to ruin the look of the cake. Put that on there. Yay! We've made my cake! Woohoo, woohoo, woohoo! Do you know what it is? It's far too early for me to have a slice of Bailey's cheesecake right now. Like, what's the time? It's 3:30 in the afternoon. Not that it's got a very strong alcohol content, but I just feel like it's gonna throw my palate off for the rest of the night. Like, I wanna make tacos. I want to make crispy tacos. I've been dying for them. I feel like if I taste this cake now, it's going to really throw off my palate, but at the same time, we're not just going to make a Bailey's cheesecake and not taste it, you know? This is what it looks like, my darlings. Can you see? It looks pretty good, doesn't it? I'm proud. Let's see if we can pop this. Oh, oh my God, that worked really well. Look. No, I'm actually a star baker. I'm actually a star baker. Someone run me my Great British Bake Off cake stand, please. My trophy, because your girl did that. Your girl did that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Do you remember how much I was struggling trying to make that base? That is the most. Girl, if you don't stop playing. Oh my God, that smells good. Okay, I'm gonna have to have a forkful, right? It looks good, but I think it's not set. She says just continuing to cut the cake. If this all collapses, I'll cry. Okay, it held its shape. It's all good. It's all good. It's actually held its shape. But what I am gonna do is put it back in the fridge. I'm gonna taste a little bit for the YouTube. Whatever I just tasted on my hand, that was strong. I'm gonna be intoxicated tonight. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Well, my golly gosh, if you don't blow your socks off. Let's take a little bit. I know I said it's a bit early for a slab of cake, but I can't stop eating this now. The first spoon hits you, the alcohol content, it catches your throat. I'm gonna have this last forkful. I'm gonna rejoin my piece. Oh my. Guys, this is not a drill. You need to make this cake. You need to make this cake. Oh my gosh, that tastes phenomenal. Well guys, that's it. That is my cheesecake for the day. Vlogmas day 2. We managed to do it. I'm so proud of us. Go us. I'm now about to go and make myself some tacos for dinner. I'm so excited. I love tacos so much. And I will see you in tomorrow's video, which I've already filmed. Your girl is really dedicated to this Vlogmas. Okay. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys. Mwah.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go out.